I'm Hannah. It's November 2020, and today we're taking a look at Kindness Week. This week, the whole school is focused on kindness, both in and outside of the classroom. Earlier, I met with Miss Connor and Miss Rivera to talk more about what's happening this week and the importance of kindness in our everyday lives. Hi, Mr. Connor. Can you tell us a bit more about Kindness Week?
So, Kindness Week was started about 10 years ago, and it was people from different countries that wanted to come together and promote kindness all over the world. An organisation called the World Kindness Organisation got together and decided to create World Kindness Day.
Great. What act of kindness did you see someone do?
So all week here, I've seen acts of kindness, both big and small. I've seen people doing little things like opening a door for somebody or saying something kind to somebody else. And I've also seen big acts like people spending a lot of time to make a really creative card for someone to make them feel special.
Hi, Andrew. What act of kindness did someone do for you?
Some people held the door open and smiled and said good morning.
Well, there are a lot of kindness activities that have been planned to make this week really special. Some of them include kindness hearts that are in the color of your house. And throughout the week, you'll have the opportunity to fill them out every time you see an act of kindness. In addition to that, one of my favorite things is a kindness buddy. So every class is going to get a container that has names of every child in the class, and you'll pull a name on Monday, and then all throughout the week you have to show kindness to that person, and then the big reveal will be on Friday.
Great. What type of kindness did you see throughout the week?
I've seen lots of acts of kindness, but perhaps my favorite act was in our class. In grade 4, we were baking bread, and I was really happy to see that one group baked 2 loaves of bread. And instead of keeping both, they cut one up into pieces and they shared it with a bunch of people in the community.
Thank you. We'd like to encourage you all to be spreading the message of kindness to make the world a kinder place. On behalf of the ESTV crew, we'll see you again soon.